No,
back.
this isn't a sponsored video.
Literally, guys.
This isn't a sponsored video. So stay tuned, okay? Keep watching.
Yeah, before you click off.
This isn't sponsored.
This is just a real video.
You know, it's just a real video. We just wanted to come on.
Oh my god, this is like the first real video in
I know,
a long
it's so
time.
long. It's
Y'all were like, y'all
crazy.
only supposed to get money for a while. Oh yeah, sorry.
We found a place in Toronto that we needed to come try out, okay? It was getting old. The food scene was getting a little old and boring here in Toronto.
So we had to come
so we
liven
had
it
to
up.
wait. Okay, we had to wait a little bit. It's all over YouTube. Everyone's doing a Korean corn dog mukbang. The cheese pulls are crazy. And I just always wanted to know how they tasted because, like, you know, it's not something you can find anywhere.
It's very visually pleasing food too.
And
So
the crunch is just...
it's amazing.
We had to come and try.
Yeah.
So we're outside of Chun rice hot dog. We're about to go in and try their most popular hot dogs.
I'm very excited.
Let's go.
That's all I have to say.
Flour, also rice flour as well.
What are those?
This is diced potatoes.
Oh.
So this is one of the most popular ones here.
Is there like a specific sauce that goes with each hot dog, or can you just mix it up?
Just mix it up, whatever you want. But the most classic way from Korea is just sugar and ketchup.
It's good to know.
Squid ink batter.
Is it just the color that's different?
Color, yeah.
Flavor is not that much different.
Flavor is not that much. And it also has these tiny little legs that makes it look like it's...
Look like actual squid. It's very loud in here, so we're gonna try our best to talk loud.
We're just gonna drink this in here.
Yeah, and then we're gonna eat the actual corn dogs in the car because it's too loud.
Okay.
There's more people coming.
Oh, it's a party in here now. Wait, what
Kind
you
of
get?
terrified. Huh?
Why are you terrified? I mean, it did get
Too
kinda
much.
crazy.
Yeah, overnight, you know?
Like my
Stay
whole
safe.
Twitter timeline, like
It's about the virus.
yeah, like yesterday though it was different. Then today, this morning I'm on Twitter and everything is corona because now it's like in the NBA
Instagram,
players.
everywhere,
like,
everything's getting suspended.
Tom
Schools are
Hanks.
getting canceled. Apparently, Justin Trudeau.
His wife, right? And apparently, school is gonna be canceled for 2 extra weeks after March break.
I think they should, because there's
That's
too many
nuts.
people in schools.
Yeah.
It can be easily transmitted. Okay, anyways,
Back to the drink.
back to the drinks. Yeah,
What did
so
you get?
this is called a pineapple aid, and it's like they only have 2 drinks here, and then they have like their like canned drinks, but this is there's 2 signature drinks: iced coffee, and then a pineapple aid. If you guys have been to Jollibee, it's kind of like that, but less.
This tastes like more like a real pineapple.
Yeah, it's good though. So it tastes like Viet iced coffee.
Yeah, but like
less milk, less sweet.
Yeah. I just had sugar-free vanilla iced coffee from McDonald's and now I'm drinking this one. I'm gonna be off the walls.
He said the traditional way to do this is sugar and ketchup.
That sounds
Just
delicious.
leave it at that.
Ooh, they're all here. Oh my god. Sorry, they're right behind us.
Oh, what the hell?
Wow.
This is the whole mozzarella, the squid ink, the ramen chip, the potato, and this is the cheddar cheese.
I'm like trying to learn how to edit on it. It's actually kind of complicated.
No, it's not. It's
Like,
like once you get into it, like I already posted a couple. Once you get into it, you're gonna like
Wait,
start
you have
posting.
so many. Hold on.
I really
Are you
got.
on TikTok?
I like it.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
follow me on TikTok.
I have like all of them saved and I've like practiced and like
Wait, are you
rehearsed.
posting dancing lines?
I'm posting like meme, like skit ones.
Remember?
Remember?
It's gonna like take over all social.
It really is. If you're like a new creator, I think you should get on TikTok because I feel like it's easier to get popping on TikTok.
Yeah.
Mine is Akelaonline3.
And then mine is Shoshanarose. We'll put it in the description and everything.
Renegade.
What are we? Okay, stop. We're allowed to do this, guys. There's already a tray here. I'm doing too much at this point. Okay, so he said the traditional way is just ketchup, so I'm just.
Are you gonna put ketchup on all of them?
No, we should switch it up.
god, oh my 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 god. No!
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh no.
Guys, the things we do for you.
Oh no! All our napkins! Well, there she goes. Oh no! Take it! My hands are gonna give up!
First time trying these Korean corn dogs.
Damn, do you remember which ones they were?
No, I
Fuck.
don't. So we're just gonna eat and
Tell you how we feel about it.
Okay, so hold on, wait. I'm actually excited. Wait, I need to get this on TikTok.
I think I'm trying the classic, like their Chung,
Yeah.
the regular one.
Original.
Yeah.
And then this is the squid ink corn dog, rice corn dog.
Is there squid ink in there? Guys, look at the
made
little
with
hot
squid
dog
ink.
legs.
So it's supposed to look like a squid.
It literally looks like a fat old squid.
It's just coloring that makes the difference. Like it's black, but it tastes the same. So anyways, let's do this.
Wait, is there meat in here? There's no meat in this. Oh my god. Let me try to get one too. There's no meat in this one.
Really? Yeah, this one is just mozzarella.
Okay, this one has no meat in it, but it's still delicious.
This is so good.
Did
you
you
want to try it?
Yeah.
The mozzarella, wow. That was really good. Okay, I'm gonna try the potato one.
Oh shit. The cheese is all over the place.
Let's try this. Do you want to be my TikTok?
Sure.
Okay, trying this potato corn dog. Oh, this is cheese. Also, well,
I ate all the cheese in this one. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to take all of it. Did you put teriyaki sauce on this one? Because that made it better. I still
This is
don't
so
know
good.
meat. I'm trying to get some meat in this.
wow. This is like carb central, guys. Sorry.
Nah, I'm not getting no meat.
Okay. I need to get a cheese one. Oh, this one.
This is really delicious though.
It's really flavorful. It's so good.
Damn. How much is one?
One is $5.99, I think.
I don't really like the potato one.
It's too much.
It's too much.
This one is really good though.
The
just like the
mozzarella one, right?
mozzarella,
It's
yeah.
very simple.
Just like that.
I really like squid ink. This one is good.
Yeah, I mean you took all the cheese, but yeah, it was good with the cheese too. I wish I got more sauce, low-key.
Yeah. Should put some on the side. Okay, I'm gonna try this ramen one. This one looks like it's gonna hurt the top of my mouth with all this crunchy crunch.
Wow.
Let me try one. Honestly,
How does it taste?
didn't get meat again, but it's just doing a lot.
It looks like it.
Which one is this one?
I'm about to find out.
All right.
I think it's just cheese with the meat,
This sounds like it'll
with the
be
hot
good.
dog. Yeah.
No, just meat.
What?
No cheese.
That's boring. That is doing a lot.
Right? It's not that it doesn't taste good, it's that it hurts my mouth to eat all that crunchy noodle.
They're gonna call us dirty for not washing our hands.
Oh my god. In this COVID-19,
No, let's just tell them to wash our hands. We washed our hands before we came. They saw us.
why? Would you come again? It's
I
actually
would.
really good.
It's worth trying, you know.
Asians really know how to make some what's the word?
Good food,
Good food, but like
innovative food.
innovative and like comforting food. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they're cheesy noodles and then this kind of stuff. Like, it's just delicious.
Cheddar is not my favorite cheese, so I'm not
this
like
too, right?
yeah, I'm not a fan of this. Worst to best, we're rating them now.
5 altogether. Worst one for me was ramen, cause that shit, it was just hard to chew. It was scratching the top of my mouth.
Really? Okay, so for me, it was the cheddar one, the cheddar corn dog. This one.
Yeah,
I'm a mozzarella girl.
yeah.
I never really liked cheddar like that.
I think I'll put that number 4.
Yeah, and then number 4 for me is the ramen one.
Yeah. Number 3 for me is potato because
Yeah.
I don't need all that. It was just bare things in your mouth.
Same for me.
And it was just like, a lot of
Yeah, you
texture.
need a lot of sauce for that one.
Yeah.
Because it kind of dries
Dry.
out. Yeah, it's dry. So number 2 would have to be the mozzarella and corn dog one. Was it just mozzarella and corn dog? Hot dog,
yeah.
whatever?
Yeah.
I think that's like the original cheese.
There's no meat.
one.
It's just mozzarella and the
Oh yeah.
thing.
Yeah. So and then number 1 is the squid one.
Yeah. That one for me too. They also had a spicy one in there that I wish we tried.
I mean, we can go back and ask for it.
Should we?
I think we should.
So we got 2 more. So this is the jalapeno one?
Yeah, so fuck,
Ooh,
I don't remember which one is which.
Oh wait, there's 2 different ones?
this one, the smaller one, I think is a jalapeno one.
Okay, and this one is?
The cheesy hot dog one.
Oh, the good one.
No, it's just the mozzarella one, sorry.
Oh, okay, the original.
Yeah, and I put all the sauces this time because now I know.
Ah, it's hot.
Yeah, it's fresh, guys. The cheese is hot. Oh, it's got cheese.
I think you have volcanic.
Oh, perfect.
This is just cheese. This is delicious. I love this. This is a great cheat meal. If you need to cheat one day, I think you should come here and cheat because it's worth it.
Oh, it's like in here.
What?
Do you see the spicy, like the, is that spicy sauce? Or is that just oil? I think that's just oil, never mind. You're not full? I'm so full. That's it, guys. We tried it. We rated our favorites and the
least
ones
favorite.
that we didn't really like. So we hope you guys enjoyed.
Y'all should come check this place out
Yeah.
for real, especially if you're on a diet and you want to have a cheat day. That's worth it. I
We
think this is
cheated
the
on our
place.
diets for this
Yeah.
video. We're so stuffed.
Yeah.
The energy from like the beginning of the video versus now, all the oil has like settled.
Good. The crunch was amazing, and every one of them had a good crunch.
Yeah.
The batter they used was like squishy. Like, you know what I mean? Like the way you.
It was really good. That's all I can say.
It was delicious.
Everything was on point.
Cheese was delicious. I just didn't like the cheddar cheese.
But it's nice that they have different options if
Yeah.
you're like,
If
you
you do
know,
like
if
cheddar cheese.
you're into cheddar or if you're into potatoes like that, you know,
not for
or
me.
ramen or like, you know, just the weird shit. You like to try that out.
It's just like very
But-
like Instagram-y food too. So like,
Yeah.
if you wanted to come and like if you like, you know, just like
It's
vlog it or it's
aesthetically
it's just cool.
Cool
Yeah.
to look at.
Excuse me.
So we're done. Follow us on
That's it.
TikTok. We'll leave
Yes.
we'll leave everything in the description box, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.